Alright, well the bangs, they look a little rough this morning. I put a lot of dry shampoo in it because, you know, the bang life, it's high maintenance. But anyway, I just got the glasses and oh my goodness, you guys, they're such cute stuff. I can't wait to show you. So let's go home and then I will unwrap all of these things and show you what I'll be reviewing today. Okay, so now that I came home and I switched into something a little more comfortable for the bottoms and something a little more professional for the videos, I'm going to unbox all of the things that I'm going to be reviewing today. I guess Gucci released like a new line and I want to find the ones that are so stinking cute. Let me see which one it is. Which one is it, guys?
It's that one. That one. That's the one.
Okay, I want to say it was in this case.
No.
But
it was the blue one, not the green one.
Today.
Blue one.
No, it's not.
No. Yeah. See.
I'll show you all of them, but I want to find that one. Where is it?
It's the blue one. Yeah, that one. Woo! Yeah.
Yes. Okay, these guys. How freaking gorgeous are these? They're transparent lenses by Gucci, but they have like these super cute like rainbow ombre on the arms. So okay, let's just talk about these foldable Gucci glasses. So they fold like this, open them up, and then ooh, this is cool. Let's put them on. Okay, so I just turned on the studio lights because I'm gonna get ready to film soon, and these are all the frames that I'll be reviewing today. Okay, so right now I'm doing research on the optical ones, and I'm just like putting together all of the information that I can talk about for the video. So yay for the internet, right? Yellow, transparent, because these do have kind of like a yellow tint to them. So yeah, I'm just gonna do research on these glasses, figure out what I'm gonna say, and then I will show you once I start filming. Yeah, so this is what I do, guys. It's fun, it's lit, it's Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, yeah. Okay, so once I get all of my information about the sunglasses, I'm ready to film, so I'm just going to turn on my camera and then connect it to my laptop so I can like see what I'm doing. The style code is GG03320, and this yellow transparent frame with gorgeous rainbow gradients, style code number is 008. Let's start that over. Okay, so I just filmed the opticals, and my favorite thing about working from home is that I get little visits from my babies. Say hi. Say hi, Hurley. Are you hanging out with Mom while she works? I love you. Mr. Man. Mr. Hurley Man. So yeah, it's super fun that I get to, oh, there's thunder outside. Okay, so since I just finished filming the first one, I'm going to switch my outfit, switch up the looks a little bit so I don't look the same all the time, and I'm going to film the second round of frames. So it's gonna be these ones, which I absolutely adore because they're tinted. So my boyfriend just came home from work and he brought home some extra food, so I'm just gonna take my lunch break and eat some food. It's just awesome. Sorry, I don't mean to talk with my mouth full, but one sec. But yeah, it's this awesome vegan place. It's a like Caribbean vegan restaurant that's right down the street from us, and it's called Make Me Hungry. This place is amazing, and I highly recommend this chili crumble. It's so good. So I'm gonna eat this and then get back to work.
I will be sharing with you Gucci sunglasses as well as a gold metal tone brown.
So I can't help but notice, but it's currently hurricaning outside, and if you guys didn't know, I do live in Florida, so the weather here is extremely bipolar. But all weekend it's just been so gloomy and rainy, so it kind of makes me feel a little comfortable that I'm like in my studio filming for work right now. But let's go look at the view. This is what I'm looking at right now. Sorry that the lights are like extremely bright. But yep, it's pouring outside, but my plants are happy. All right, now I'm on my way back to work so I can drop off the glasses. So I just dropped the sunglasses off. Thank you so much for sitting in this video, wanting to know what I do to stay alive. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you'd like to see any other videos, then leave a comment down below letting me know what kind of video you'd like to see next, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.